Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to use cp command. Cp command is used for copy files and folders from one place to another place. Okay, first of all we have to see which things are present in our current directory. Type ls. There are two folders and one file present in our current directory. If we want to see what is present in our both directories, then we need to type ls space data, hit tab space test. Okay, hit enter. There is no such file or folders present in data directory, but in test directory there are two files. One is txt file and another is csv file. If we want to copy a.txt file from test folder to data folder, then we have to type cp test /a.txt. first we need to give source, then destination. Our destination is data. Hit enter. Then again type ls data and test. Now a.txt is present in both directories, data and test folder. If we want to copy the folder into another folder, like if we want to copy test folder to data folder, then if we type cp test space data, it will generate an error. Why? I will tell you in a short moment. It says omitting directory test. It says -r not specified. Why? Because it contains recursive items, means there are subchilds in test directory. Then we need to type -r for tell the system that it is a recursive folder. Then we have to type cp -r again test space data, hit enter. Now command is successfully executed. Okay, type ls data. We want to see what is present in our data folder. Now it shows a.txt and test folder.